Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete your resume from LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. Click on your name, and after that, if you can't find the options there, you have to click on your picture again and go to settings. Go to data privacy. Scroll down until you find resumes and job applications data. Click on it. And after that, here you will find all your resumes, as you can see. So if you don't need one of them, you have just to click on the three dots next to it. And after that, click on delete. And like that, your resume that you don't want anymore is deleted from your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next